Whoa, we live. We're in the building. Let's go. Let's absolutely go. We live, we live, we live, we live, we live. How are you guys all doing, my people? How are you guys all doing? Mm, we're beautiful on this Friday. We're about to get into exactly the charts, into how exactly we're gonna break down the charts, how we won yesterday, how we made everything. I don't even know, man. We're going hard, guys. How we were able to actually literally win 3 out of 3 news events. 3 out of 3 news events we have won. NFP we won, CPI we won, PPI we won. We're going absolutely insane, guys. 3 out of 3 news events, chop, live on the stream as well. That's the beautiful part. Live on the stream. I'm good. How are you? Juma Mubarak, guys. Gugu, how are you, Gugu? Join up. Let's smash London session. Boom. Let us smash the London session, guys. Just waiting on my links here. I'll be with you guys in a second. Also have my food on the way from Kauai. A little chicken and rice bowl. Of course, you know, we're all about that healthy vibes, bro. What a healthy vibes, man. Um, um, um. Boom. Perfect. Send out the link everywhere. Let's go. Let's do this, guys. Do this. You're up 2K. How, bro? How are you up? I mean, gold, but up 2K. Crazy. Let's go to gold. Gold is looking quite immaculate right now, if I can say so myself. If I can say so myself. Gold looking very, very nice. Very, very nice. Gold looking very, very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, we can see exactly what happened to gold. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Beautiful stuff. Okay, perfect. So previous 2 candles, 15 minutes, then it stopped. Yeah, so we can see that it was going up quite nicely, like gold. It was, and then I think it hit this bit of resistance over here. And it's now coming down a little bit. So if it does come down from here, then I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. But we're taking gold. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. We'll go to the 30 minutes. Thank you, bro, so much. 30 minutes happening first. We're gonna analyze over here on Goldilocks. Yeah, it's a bit stagnant, low key. How do I stop getting anxious when there's pullbacks in my trades? So the way that I stop getting anxious, right, um, is very simple, right? I just literally, all I do is, let me just get my chat open here. Look through those gum away, low key. I have a gum in my mouth, but I'm going to kill. I feel very bad. So, the gum in my mouth, throw it out. So the way I stop getting anxious is very, very simple, right? What I do is I just let my trade run. I don't look at it. I leave it either stop loss or take profit. Does not matter. Right? If I hit stop loss, I hit stop loss. If I hit take profit, I hit take profit. That's the only way you're going to leave behind your emotions when you already accept the fact that from before you even enter the trade, that you can lose or you can win. You have to be okay with having a loss even before you enter the trade, because you know, okay, if I, for example, enter buys here, my stop loss is going to be below here. I'm risking, say, 1,000 rand or 2,000 rand or whatever it is. But you are happy with it if it hits stop loss or if it hits take profit, no matter what. Despite the outcome, you are happy with outcome of the trade. Stop loss, take profit, doesn't make you go crazy. If you win, sure, be happy. If you lose, do not be sad. Exactly. Stop trading with money that'll exactly, bro. If you can't afford to trade with extra money, I don't, honestly. Because I'll be honest with you guys, in trading, you need money to make money. Right? You cannot make profit if you are scared. You cannot make your profits if you are scared with the money because it's your last money. If it's your like last money, I would say personally don't trade, because trading is risky. Trading is there if you have extra capital, you put it in and you trade and make some profit on that. Yes, it can sometimes like change your life in a way. You flip an account and build up from there. That's a whole other story for a whole different day. But if it's your last money, I would say rather don't, bro. Build up to the amount where you can say, okay, I can comfortably lose this money without having anything go wrong. Because then you know, okay, my diapers are bought for my child, the food put on the table for my wife, my car's paid up, my rent is paid up, my house is paid up, this is paid. Now all my bills are taken care of. For the month I have an extra 5K, 10K. Maybe put that there into your trading account, because now you have an extra. Because all your bills taken care of, you have put some money in savings. Now you have a bit of extra. That's what I personally do. I first take care of my bills, everything, take care of my family, put some in savings. Then the extra money, I say, okay, now I can fund my account with, say, a 5K account or a 10K account, and try and build the account throughout the month to maybe say 30 or 40K, then we'll throw nicely. So, yeah, and also the nice thing, if you guys look over here, right, on my account, I started it up last week, right, this live account with Space Markets. And look at this, right? You can see that I already put in 10,000 Rand on the 4th, right? On the 4th, you can see over here, on the 4th of the 8th month, you can see over here, right? The 4th of the 8th month, if you get focus, you guys, right over there, the 4th of the 8th month, 10,000 Rand, took all our trades, and if you look now, what happened? Look at, I've made already over 100% profit. Put in 10,000, I've made 11,000 Rand profit, and withdrew already 10.5K. So you can see that trading is possible, and it's not only with huge capital that you can make profits. Even with small capital, with that small 10K, you can still make some decent profit, guys. It's not like you have to have 100K or 1 million Rand in your account to make money. No, no, no. If you know what you're doing properly, you make money in markets, man. Then this lady just from the 4th of this month. It's now only the 14th. So in 10 days, able to make that. And it was by consistent profits, not like I just flipped the account fast and made profits. No, we're not in a trade yet, bro. We're not in a trade yet, guys. I'm gonna be looking for a trade now in a few minutes time, guys. In a few minutes time. In a few minutes time, I'm gonna look for a trade. Yeah, bro. I mean, I'm saying small 10K because, like, personally, I know of guys that are trading with like a lot more cash, with like 1 million Rand, 3-4 million Rand in their account. And I'm not on that level yet. I'm not. Right. So for me, I'm saying small because I'm opening up my mind to the fact that there's a lot more out there. That there's a lot more money out there that you can be making, that you can be trading with. And if you're gonna say, hey, 10K is a huge amount, you're never gonna grow from that, bro. You're never gonna grow from that, bro. When you find 10K, what will I use a 0.05 lot size, bro? 0.05 lot size, bro. 0.05 lot size what I use. And even like I've really just been using the AI chart scanner, bro. I've just been using the AI chart scanner, and I've just been chopping it up with that, bro. Like, the AI chart scanner is honestly insanely powerful. Like this week here, I gave it to a few guys here in the office for completely free. And I promise you, the one guy literally doubled his account, more than doubled his account, just from the AI chart scanner, bro. Just by using it and using how I told him to use it from the video I made of how to use the AI chart scanner. It's just honestly next level stuff, man. The AI chart scanner is beautiful stuff, man. But let's get into this of how to actually. I'm cool. Chicken, rice, avocado. Gymnasium stuff, man. With some water. Very healthy. Let's see. Okay, so 30-minute time frame. Go and reset your chart view down here. What do you do then? Right? Put in our highs and our lows. High over there, a low over there. Right? From the low, move up. See, something happen over here. Right? Move up, move down, move up, move down. Respecting, respecting, respecting. Broke out. Something happened over here. Going to reject. Went there, broke out there, came here. Something happened once again over here. Something happened also at the bottom over here. Boom, hit the top over there. Something happened over there as well. Continue following, 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 following. Something happened up top here. Boom, 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 boom. Broke out. Boom, boom, boom. Something happened over here. Boom, 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 boom. Follow, 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 follow. Hit here. Now it's going up. So, you can see something also happened over there. And that's why I call it reject over there. So, for me, I would like to see it hit this resistance over here and possibly continuation for the sell. My Comit capital account got cancelled because, bro, you aren't allowed to close or open trades 5 minutes before news or 5 minutes after news. You told me on the message on Instagram that you close your trade at 14:29. That's within 5 minutes before the news. Because from 14:25 until 14:30, you cannot place trades, and from 14:30 up until 14:35. That's why your account got cancelled. It's in the rules. I do want to look for buys. But from what I'm seeing right now, the only way we'll get buys is if we can retrace all the way back down to here, or break above and retest and then go up. So, cyanide, bro. Break above, retest, continue. Probably taking out this high over here, top. Then that would mean that gold was basically just stuck in a bit of a range for the whole week. If you look carefully, I mean, this is the 10th of August, was a Monday. Gold opened up, so you can see, right, that gold has actually been stuck in a range, right? The markets opened up over here. Look at this. It literally hasn't moved. It's in the exact same place that the markets open up. If I go to the weekly candle, look at that. The markets are barely have even moved on the weekly time frame. So yeah, it's looking like hopefully they go have a big move. I mean, if there's a big move, why don't you use the AI? I do use the AI, but I wanted to just do it now by itself without using the AI, bro. I can use the AI if you want me to. I mean, I'll just go over here to gold, a clean chart. This here was yesterday's trade. You can see full take profit got hit, and then it reversed. So yeah, full take profit got hit, right? Full TP got hit on the London session. Then it went down. Then came PPI, and we bought, and we hit take profit from PPI as well. So yeah. Let me use the AI for you guys, like you guys are asking me to. I'm gonna go over to our Google. I'm gonna search for fxkillers.com to our chart AI analyzer for completely free trial, right? I'm gonna go over here to sign in. I'm gonna sign in. And if you want this free AI chart analyzer, just go over to fxkillers.com and get your free trial. Literally, get your free trial. fxkillers, I just here, fxkillers.com and get your free trial, bro. Yeah, bro, yesterday's setup on the stream was absolutely insane, bro. Absolutely insane, bro. But yeah, let me take now I go here to trading view, right? Got my 5-minute time frame, reset my chart view, take a picture of my chart, go to the chart analyzer, drop my picture in, put my picture in, open my picture, and let the AI do the work. You can see it says hunting levels. An expensive drink. Yeah. Yeah. I love it. Now you're bored of them. I got no single phone. Almost okay. Boom. Done. You want to see what's even more crazy, bro? Look at this. Right? The bro lady sent this here to me yesterday. The results on the AI. He put in $61. He made $78. And then look at this. Sniper entry he got. Sniper entry with the AI. What do you see there? He really says that the AI has been working for me. Bro, so far the AI has been working for me. Clean entries to look at. Clean entries, bro. You can see there, the AI is next level, bro. The AI is next level, baby. Just that simple. Just that simple. But yeah. I'm late now. All good, bro. All good. We are just chilling, man. Okay, perfect. But yeah, you can see now that the AI has actually given me my exact level of support, resistance, every single thing. And also welcome back to the 232 people in the chat. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, guys. You can see, right, that my AI has told me that first, it says the trend is bearish on the 5-minute time frame. It even explains why, that the chart is in a clear bearish trend, making a series of lower lows and lower highs. Price is currently pulling back into a potential resistance area. Price is currently pulling back into a potential resistance area. Scenario number one is this one here, a sell at 4432. And scenario number two is a sell at 4380. Even press draw arrows, it draws the arrows on the chart for you. Look at that. It says from the current price we're at now, it could go up over to 4380, the first one, and then come down, or it could go to the top resistance and then come down. Exactly how I explained in the analysis without the AI, because I actually mentored the AI, bro. The name of the website, bro, it's FX Killers, bro. FX Killers. fxkillers.com, like this. fxkillers.com for the AI, bro. There's a free trial you can get. You can use it for completely free on the free trial. If you do want to, fxkillers.com, bro. Good job. Then it even gives you the levels of support and the levels of resistance, right? So you can see here that now it has given me that we have this level of resistance at 4432. So what I'll do is go over here to my chart, reset that. I'm going to put my line over here at 4432. Enter that. Not text, coordinates. 4432. Enter. Boom. That's my first level of resistance. Then I go over to my next one. From the AI, it says that my next level is 4380. 4380. Enter that. You see it's over there up top. The next level is at 4352. 4352. Enter that. Support at 4381. 431, I think it is. Yeah, 4318, sorry. 4318. Into that. And the last level of support we have is at 4304. 4304. Boom. There we go. There's our chart analyzed fully over here on gold. Gold in a hot area for sales. It is, bro. It is. But I wanted it to come up to at least about there. And then it says also a possible entry, a possible trade is possible short from 4352. So up top over here, 4352. With your SL gonna be at 4360. So 4360 is stop loss. And then take profit is all the way down there at 4320. 4320. But a 1:4 risk to reward, bro. 1:4, bro. But yeah, that's what I would look for on gold personally with the AI chart analyzer. It just took me not even like 2 minutes to analyze fully with the help of my AI tool. Oh my god. The TP is all down, bro, at 4320. 4320 is a possible TP. Can I join your Signal group? Sure, bro. Just send me a DM, bro. Here's my number on Telegram. Send me a DM on Telegram, bro.
Morning, my G.
What's up, Brody?
How you doing?
I'm complete, man. Chilling.
Live streaming, eh?
Yes, sir.
Say this.
Are you in? Nah, I'm not in, bro. We're waiting for the setup to clear out first. No, we haven't ended yet, guys. We have not ended yet. I mean, you guys have been watching the stream now for months, bro. I literally first say didn't enter. I literally say if I do enter. Waiting for possible setup. Bro, I have not entered yet, bro. Come on, guys. You guys have been watching the stream now for how many months? I don't first, but I say if I'm entering, I don't just go and enter. I say, okay, I'm gonna enter now. I'm doing that. Now we haven't entered yet, bro. Like what? And it's all right here, guys. The entries, top of the profit is all shown here, guys. Just look over here. Just as you watch the stream, and you'll see.
What's it?
Yeah, but everybody else here for the signal, man. They're not yet to actually learn how we analyze the charts. how we analyze the charts, man. How we analyze the chart. That's all good though. It's all good though. Beautiful stuff. Can you provide the numbers for the SL and day profit? Speak for myself when I say I can't see too clearly. Okay, no stress, bro. SL at 4360. GP at 4320. Entry at 4352. This is all possible, guys. If it comes here and it actually rejects, if it comes here and it rejects, we're waiting for a setup. If it comes here and it actually rejects, guys. Okay, perfect. So yeah, waiting for a possible setup. Yes, so if it comes over here and it rejects nicely with a nice engulfing candle on either the 50-minute, a bearish engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle over here at the level of resistance, then I look for possible continuation sells. But until then, I'm gonna wait. Until then, I'm gonna wait. Literally. Bro, I promise you, if one more person in the chat asks me if we have entered, you literally look at the stream, bro. Like, it just says over here, everything on the screen for you guys. We didn't enter yet. We're waiting for possible setup. And yes, this is gold, guys. This is gold. Gold on the 15-minute time frame. Gold on the 15-minute time frame. So the AI can be used on the 5-minute time frame, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, anything above the 1-minute time frame, bro. Anything above the 1-minute time frame. Anything above the 1-minute time frame, bro. Yes, I executed the 5-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame. Which you recommend watching me, bro? I personally use the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame, bro. I use personally. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now wait. This is a true reality of being a trader, guys. We just wait. We don't do much. We just wait for the markets to go to our setup, play out. If it goes there, it goes there. If not, It's perfectly fine. Literally. If not, it's perfectly fine. We just be completely patient, bro. Completely patient.
Yeah.
Okay, perfecto. Now we just wait. Now we just wait. I mean, the other day we got a very nice trade, like very fast on in the stream. It came to us very easily. This today on Friday doesn't seem like we're gonna have a trade very quickly. And also, we only have 45 likes, guys. Only 45 likes, but 250 viewers. Come on now, I think you get at least to 120 likes at least easily. Come on now. My strategy is come on a stream, AI chart analyzer, eat my food, make some jokes, make some money. Oh, that is my strategy, though. That is literally my strategy. In your opinion, losing 6 trades in a row, does that mean you're a bad trader? I don't think it means that you're a bad trader. You might be going through a bit of a losing streak. So 1 second. You might be going through a bit of a losing streak, which does happen to everyone, where you do lose a few trades in a row. But it doesn't mean that you're a bad trader. Maybe you have to just switch up your mentality a bit. Maybe you have to just switch up your entries a bit. Maybe like go back to the drawing board and figure out why you're losing first of all. Especially if you're losing 6 trades in a row, right? I would say go back to the drawing board and ask yourself, where did I go wrong, right? Why did I take a loss on that trade, right? Why do people keep phoning me then cutting the call, bro? Like, it makes no sense. Did you go to school? I did, bro. I have a, what's it called? Matric, and I also went to university, bro. Also went to university. Is the AI chart analyzer free? There is a free trial, and you said where can you find it? You can find it over here, bro. You can find it over here, man. Over here at fxkillers.com. fxkillers.com, bro. fxkillers.com. fxkillers.com, bro. Yes, I did, bro. I dropped out, bro. I dropped out. Then entries have to be once rejected. It's like not always a psychological level. It can be just off of like a normal level. Doesn't have to be a psychological level, bro. Doesn't have to be a psychological level at all. Does not have to be a psychological level. All you need one, bro. Honestly, you don't even need like the hardcore math, like the geometry and that kind of stuff to wanna work in finance, bro. Like yes, you need math, of course. You have to know what you're doing, but like you don't need that one. They have shapes and number patterns and this and that, bro. Everyone, thanks for the free trial. I've made 7K with the AI chart analyzer. What? What? Bro, so you just made 7,000 with the AI chart analyzer. What the heck? That's mad. Mad. This guy over here in my YouTube stream just said that he just made 7,000 Rand from the free trial. Yeah. Thanks for the free trial. I've made 7K with the AI chart analyzer. The free trial. This guy over here just said he made 7,000 Rand with the AI free analyzer. Thanks for the free trial. I've made 7K with the AI chart analyzer. That's actually madness. The AI chart analyzer is pushing, guys. Free trial. You can see over there. Free trial. Tap in right now. It's completely free. Why did you drop out? I dropped out so I can pursue trade, bro. So I can pursue being an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur. And yes, I was also making profits. I was making profits. I was. If you know all this info and had a son, would you send him to school or can you work for someone or let them trade? So I would obviously send him to school. Like you have to send him to school, definitely. My children will go to school, but then I'll obviously ask them and say, okay, do you want to be a business owner? Do you want to have a degree? What do you personally want? Because some people are different, right? They're all different. Some people want to go to university to get their degree. Some people don't want to be one. Some people want to be their own boss. Right? It just depends on the person themselves, and you have to just ask them and see what it is that they want. Like for me personally, I don't ever want to be working for someone. I want to always have freedom. So that's why for me, be my own boss is the best thing ever. Be my own boss is the best thing ever, guys. But I'll rather first ask the child and say, okay, listen, once obviously they of age, then you can ask them, bro. Like once they smart enough, then you can ask them and say, listen, do you want this? Do you want that? What do you want in like in your life? Yeah, okay. Good guy we have. Yeah. From the free trial, I made 7K. For the AI chart analyzer. Wow. 7K is our profit from the free trial, man. One of the leaves. Actually, madness. How did you convince your parents to let you drop out? I didn't convince them, bro. I proved to them. I never convinced them. I proved to them why I didn't want to uh, go to university, why I wanted to pursue my dreams of being a trader. And I showed them exactly why. I didn't just, from nowhere just say, I don't want to be in university. Nah, nah. Yeah, bro, it's a slow day, man. Slow day. The markets aren't moving that much. When we got on stream, literally, yeah, the markets is in the exact same place. Yesterday was a nice London session. There was lots of volume. Really, guys, the markets haven't moved. The markets opened up here at 10 o'clock. It's literally moved up by not by $1.88. That's what gold has done, guys, so far. But low-key, the sell also looks quite nice now. Oh, no, I think the sell right now, it might just bang low-key. Might just bang.
So, thanks.
Sell now, yeah, hopefully. So am I gonna sell now? Let's see how it can approach here on the charts. Mm. Now in on gold, how much did you give your resident of capital and how did you grow it? My parents gave me like 15K, bro, and I lost it. Then they gave me like an extra 5K, lost it also. That's because I do my own work, like graphic designs and social media management, basically make some profits, try and make some cash to, get some profits on the board. Then, thanks to Allah, thanks to God, we grew it from there, man. We grew it from there. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, let's see. Can gold give us what we want? Can gold give us what we want, guys? Let's see. I low-key do like how the candle did close over there. Looking quite easy for a possible continuation sell. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna enter, guys. I'm gonna take my trades over here, my sells. I've entered my sells over here, guys. Then my signal over here. High risk. I'm selling gold now. Okay, so I've entered my sells there, guys. Let's see how it goes. Enter my sells over here. Entry is at 4343. Sorry, 4344. Sorry. Entry is at 4344. SL is at 4350. 4350 is SL. And then TP1 will be as follows. Right? TP1 will be at 4338. 4338. TP2 will be at 43 what? Let's see. 4332. TP3 will be at 43 what? Let's see. 1:3 will be 4326. TP4 will be at 4300. So full type up will be over there, but I'll just put it over here for TP1 for now, just so we know what we're looking at. Watch out. This here is my boss. So this is my trade I'm in right now. SL is there. TP is at 4338. And entry is at 4344. Okay, perfect. So yeah, I've entered my trades right now, guys. I have entered my trades right now. And let's see how it actually goes. Hopefully, you can make some banger profits here, guys. Hopefully, you can make some banger profits over here. 4350, entering my stop loss for my trade, my take profits for my trades. I'm sending out my signal as well to my lifetime VIP signal group, to my monthly signal group. So everyone has the signal. And let's see. Bismillah. We see how it goes. We see how it goes. Soon. Perfect. Now we wait. Now we wait. To see if gold actually wants to respect our levels. With a nice 15-minute candle closure. With a nice 15-minute candle closure from the overall area of support over there. 5-minute candle was nice and bearish. The 1-hour candle did also flip bearish. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Let us see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Boom. Perfect. Now we wait. Why are you selling? Because you can see over here, bro, how the markets have had a very big push to the downside. A retracement. Now looking for a continuation push, bro. Continuation. You can see over here from earlier on the time. Look at this high over here. Fine. Made a low, new higher low. Sorry, new lower high. A lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now, hopefully for another lower low down there. So that's why I am selling personally, bro. That's why I've taken some sells personally. It's just me. I mean, if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Nothing too crazy about it, man. If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Hopefully you can come and reject from here and go all the way down. Hopefully. Let's see. If I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. As long as we stay below, I'm going to purchase a 5K GFT account. Okay, bro, go for it. No stress, man. When we look at sales around 4357, let's see, 4357, we can. This is like an overall area of rejection here, bro. So it did reject over here. That's why I'm taking the sells. If you get stopped out, we get stopped out, man. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. Let's see, we need a rejection now from gold. We need a nice, strong rejection now from gold all the way down now. All the way down. And a nice, solid rejection all the way down now. But we need that now. We need it. See, we are on my 10K account. I'm down about 1.5K or so. 1.3K. My 10K, 1.7K now. Okay, it's gone up a bit. Swan. Get my entries over there. My stop loss above that area over there. Yeah. Let us see, man. Let us see. Hopefully you can respect this level, this area. And just go all the way down. It's not looking the best right now, like you. I'm not too sure why it's just shooting all the way up. For what reason it's just shooting up. Should be coming down. You can see a bearish engulfing candle over there on the 5-minute time frame. We're looking quite bearish. Below the lows as well. Below the lows. So we took the sells. But let's see. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Come on, go reject now for us, man. Reject now for us and go all the way down. All the way down, man. All the way down. You go, Goldilocks. Come on. Down you get. Down you get. Come on, Goldilocks. Usual entry at 52. Yeah, it might be, bro. It might be the entry there at 52. If you got in early, it's probably fine. I'll accept the loss. But put a magnet. You can put a magnet and see how it goes, man. You can put in a magnet over here. Hopefully the price gets drawn toward the magnet. Come on, gold. Sell up for us now, baby. Come on. Sell up for us hard right now. Well, a very nice 15-minute bearish candle closure. That's why. Maybe it hasn't fully retested the level. Possibly. Possibly. I mean, if it does want to first maybe go up to this level over here, I just didn't want to get left behind. That's why I jumped in over here. But if you get stopped out, it's perfectly fine. Taking it as an easy, chill Friday. Yeah, bro. That's how it has to be. Your mentality has to always be that way, bro. That if you lose, you lose. If you win, you win. It's nothing that's gonna ruin your day or anything, bro. If you lose, you lose. You win, you win. It's just that simple, man. That's how it has to be. That has to be. Okay, so now gold is just flying up right now. Flying up hard right now, gold. Not looking too good. What's your win rate? It's about a 80% win rate, bro. I have about an 80% win rate or so. The whole week this week we won. And this year might be the first loss of the week. If it does give us a stop loss. If we can reject from here, it'll be nice. If it can reject from here, it'll be nice. But let's see. It has to stay below the wicks. It has to stay below these wicks over here. Must stay below these wicks over here. If you do want to see it go down. Come on, Goldilocks. Respect the setup, man. Respect the setup for us and go down. Come on, Gold. Respect it, Goldilocks. Go on. Does not seem like it wants to respect it. I won't lie to you. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it wants to give it to us. Yeah, I'm out. I am out. All good. Did you check the 1 hour time frame? Yeah, we did, bro. The 1 hour time frame was fully bearish. It did flip and it was fully bearish. That's also why we took the sell. There was no news, nothing like that, bro. There was no news or anything. I'm not sure why gold decided, like, from here just to absolutely rocket up and now to reject and come down again. But it's all good, man. It's all good. That happens. It's all good, man. Taking the loss, accepting it. Wicked out? Hopefully not. Hopefully it's not a wick out. I think it will go up to the to 64, possibly also. Possibly. I mean, it does have lots of bearish signs. If you see, oh, come on, gold, don't do that to us. Don't do that to us, gold. Are you kidding me, gold? Are you kidding me, gold? Might go to the scenario. It might go, bro. Might go to the AI level, bro. Might go to the AI level first. Might. But yeah, I'm gonna take the loss there, guys. You can see, I think we just got wicked out, Loki. I just got wicked out because it didn't hit the stop loss here on TradingView, but it hit the stop loss on my account on MT5. And now it's coming down, so yeah, all good. No, the setup is still valid. Just chill. Let's see, man. Let's see. I do still see the sell. I do still see the sells. It does still seem quite good to me, the sell. I won't lie to you. But it has broken above this wick. So according to my rules, when the candle breaks above the wick of a previous candle, I get out. I get out. I don't want to stay in there because that's using the wick theory to say that, okay, it broke above the candle high. It should continue going even further to the upside. So yeah, taking the loss, guys. I've taken the loss. My loss is about $609 on my funded account and about 3.8K on my live account. 3.8K. I did a 4K withdrawal earlier. 3.8K down on my live account. All good. All good, man. Nothing to worry about. Yeah, we could have waited for it, bro. I think you must. You think I must close or leave it? I would say close, bro. Honestly, I would say close. Me personally, because it broke above the wick over there, and it's a very bullish candle as well. So I don't like how it looks, man. Don't like how it looks. Yeah, we'll recover next session, bro, 100%, man. But let's see, maybe if we can come up to here to 52, 53, to where the AI said he could sell out from. Maybe it could go from there. But let's see. Maybe. And we also now have the hourly candle closure as well. The hourly candle closure as well. 435, yeah, I do still think that this is a better entry up top here, low key. All time frames are now bullish. Yeah, it looks like all time frames are quite bullish. I want to lie to you, the 4-hour time frame as well. Looking quite bullish over there. All good though. Let's see. If it actually does come down, though, look at how it's pushing down now. Imagine it just took us out here and then it drops all the way down. I'll be a bit mad. What confirmation? The confirmation I had was this engulfing candle here, bro. What this here is, bro. The engulfing candle over there. The bearish engulfing candle. The bearish engulfing candle. Nah, all good. I'm taking the loss. We'll come back probably in the NY session because like right now, like there is volume, but it's not respecting the setups. Like I would have thought that after this kind of a this bearish candle with the rejection it had over here, it would have come down, but apparently not. So it's clear that it's not really like respecting the setups. It's probably fine though. We had a very beautiful week. We had profits on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yesterday we had a massive trade on PPI as well as the London session. So it's all good, man. It's not a stress. Yeah, low key looks like manipulation, man. Low key. Low key. But yeah, I think with that being said, I'm going to be signing off for today. I'll be back again on Monday. Fresh and early, guys. I don't see the markets moving anymore from here. But yeah, I will see you guys on Monday. Hope you guys have a blessed weekend. We are taking the loss on this trade over here. If I do see any other trade, I will send out my signal to my signal group. But yeah, with that being said, my people, I am signing out. Peace and love. See you guys on Monday. Boom.